From humble beginnings in a food truck to a full-fledged neighborhood gem, Anne's a la Mode at Pie Café in Wheat Ridge is serving up something special, one slice at a time. Founded by Amanda Ann and Mark Chrisman, a little nostalgia, a little whimsy, and a whole lot of love for homemade pie. Their key lime pie is a local legend, often selling out before noon, but now they're serving even more. Fresh breakfast burritos, buttery cinnamon rolls, and your morning fix of coffee and treats. Whether you're starting your day or treating yourself, Anne's is the cozy, creative cafe you didn't know you were missing. So John and I are here at Anne's Pie Cafe at 29th and Depew in Wheat Ridge. And this shop has been open since January. They started off as a food truck, and now they are a big shop, and they are offering lots of wonderful treats to the local community. They have tons of different pies, you name it, they have it. And they also have breakfast, they have coffee, and all kinds of other things. You should check it out. It's a really great place to come into.
I'm Amanda, and this is Marta.
Hi.
And we run this business, Anne's Pie Cafe, with my mom, Barb. We opened our store in mid-January of this year, so our brick and mortar. And but before that, we've had a food truck, and we sell our pies at local little shops and the butcher that was over here. And so that's kind of how we got our start. And now we went from commercial kitchens to owning our own kitchen and making pies for the whole neighborhood.
Sure. We make sweet pies, savory pies, cook a lot of dinner, chicken pot pie, that key lime pie that we just can't keep on the shelf. So make sure you get here early if you're looking for one of those. And, coffee treats, just trying to find out what the neighborhood wants and make this a nice spot to come hang out.
In the last week, we started doing breakfast, so breakfast sandwiches and breakfast burritos and quiches. The neighborhood has really come out. Like, we're so impressed. Like, daily, there's someone who comes in, they're like, I walk by here every single day, and I finally decided to stop in. And
Sure.
We have a lot of regulars through the beauty salon and the little music school that's right here next to us. Yeah, it's been really neat to just make new friends and just regulars that we see every single week.